Hello students, today I am teaching to you class 6 science chapter 5 separation of substances. In this chapter already I studied various methods of separation of substances. Today I will study a new method that is called evaporation to the separation of substance from a mixture. But the evaporation method is applicable for the separation of a solid substance that has dissolved in water or any other liquid. First of all, here we look what is the basic meaning of definition. Evaporation. Evaporation means, the basic meaning of evaporation means the changing of a liquid into vapors. Vapors means gas is called evaporation. And it is used to obtain a solid substance that has dissolved in water or any other liquid. Means the basic meaning of evaporation is changing of a liquid into a vapor form. This is called evaporation, and this is used for separating a substance which is a solid in nature and the substance has the capability to dissolve in water or any other liquid. For example, sugar and water. For example, the mixture of sugar and water, because sugar is in solid nature but it is easily dissolved in water and it can be separated from the mixture by the method using evaporation. Evaporation is useful for separating those type of mixture which are solid in nature but they are easily dissolved in a liquid. And another example used for separation of a substance from the given mixture is the mixture of common common salt and water. This is done for example, we take a common solution of this common salt and the water in a porcelain dish in which we take a solution of or a mixture of the common salt and water in a porcelain dish. This is a porcelain dish, and this dish is heated with the help of burner. While heating the dish, the water present in the salt solution will form water vapor and escape into atmosphere. The solution, which contains salt and water, by heating the solution with the help of a burner, as you see in this figure, the presence of water is escaped from the solution into the atmosphere by the process of evaporation. And at last, the salt is left behind in the porcelain dish. So we can say that in this way we can easily separate the common salt or the sugar from the solution mixture easily. The chemical name of the common salt is sodium chloride. Chemically it is named NaCl. This is the name of common salt, chemical name of common salt. And in this way we can easily separate the sugar solution and salt solution from the water easily. At large scale, seawater is also trapped from the sea